The third way that you can make a woman fall in love with you: does she feel safe with you? If a woman is out on a date with you and she knows that nobody will bother her because you're there, there is a very, very high likelihood that she will not get rid of you because you make her feel safe. This goes to her biology, her wants, her need for security. If you can give her security, and the higher the security, the better, it is very easy for her to feel safe, to feel comfortable, to never want to be away from you, to fall in love with you. Because you make her feel safe, feel protected. That is one of the primary things that women crave. If you make her feel like nothing is going to happen to me because he's here, that is one of the highest compliments a woman can pay you. And it's very easy for her to be in love with a guy that makes her feel safe.